Pronoun. Today we will learn what is a pronoun. Read the following. Rita ate one sandwich because Rita was hungry. Rita did not wanted to give it to her brother Rohan, but Rohan was very clever. Rohan had already eaten 2 sandwiches. Rohan and Rita were both cheating one another. But Rohan and Rita loved each other as well. Let us read the above sentences again written in a different way to make it more meaningful. Rita ate one sandwich because she was hungry. She did not want to give it to her brother Rohan, but he was very clever. He had already eaten 2 sandwiches. They were both cheating one another, but they loved each other as well. What do the words they, he, she talk about? They talk about Rita, Rohan and both of them together, right? Thus, to avoid the repetition of nouns again and again, we use noun helpers called pronoun. This makes it easier to understand what we say or write and make it non-repetitive. Let us look at what they say. I, you. We, you. He is Rahul, he. She is Deepa, she. It is Fluffy, it. They. These words talk about persons, so they are called personal pronouns. When we talk about oneself, we use I. It is in the first person. When we talk about another person or persons, we use you. It is in the second person. He, she, it, they tell us of the person or thing spoken of. They are in the third person. Let us understand again. Personal pronoun. First person speaker, singular I. When it comes plural, we. Second person spoken to, you. The plural form will be you. The third person spoken of, he, she, it. The plural will be they. Write he, she, it, we, you, I or they in place of following nouns. One has been done for you. India Gate, it will be a place. India Gate. So it will be it. Jitu. Jitu is a person. So the pronoun will be he. Rahul and Jia, it will be they. Ankit and me, we. Park, it is a place, it. Mouse, it. Uncle, he. Damini, she. Fish, since it is a animal, it is it. Queen, she. Cows, they. Delhi, it is a place, it. Use he, she, it, we, you, I or they to rewrite these sentences. One has been done for you. The doctor gave me medicine. Since the doctor may be a boy or a girl, he gave me medicine or she gave me medicine. Instead of doctor, you can use he or she. The drafts came inside the house. They came inside the house. Udaipur is a city of lakes. It is a city of lakes. Anu and I went to the market. Instead of Anu and I, we can use the pronoun we. We went to the market. Sushmita is my best friend. Instead of Sushmita, pronoun she can be used. She is my best friend. The children are going for a picnic. Instead of children, you can use they. They are going for a picnic. My father is very strong man. Instead of father, he can be used. He is a very strong man. The elephant has a long trunk. It has a long trunk. The shopkeepers gave me 5 chocolates. He gave me 5 chocolates. Jack and Jill went up the hill. Instead of Jack and Jill, pronoun they can be used. They went up the hill. Fill in the blanks with suitable pronouns. Look at the flower. It is a lotus. It is our national flower. My cousins are coming to my house. They will stay here for a week. Mahesh gave the book to Mary. He told her to return it soon. Mrs. Kapoor is my teacher. She teaches English. Students play in the school. They play during the break. Naina is a good girl. She goes to school daily. Today is a bright day. The sun is in the sky. It is shining brightly. Ravi and Rani, instead of these nouns, you can use they. They go to school together. Rewrite the following sentences using the pronouns wherever possible. The first one has been done for you. The teacher likes Priya because Priya works hard. The teacher likes Priya because instead of using again the noun Priya, you can use the word she because she works hard. Where are the toys? The toys are in the box. Where are the toys? They are in the box. Debu decided to go to cinema hall. Debu wanted to watch a movie. Debu decided to go to cinema hall. He wanted to watch a movie. The farmer has a cow. The farmer calls the cow Bitya. The farmer has a cow. He calls the cow Bitya. The policeman caught the thief. The policeman had to work all day and night. The policeman caught the thief and he had to work all day and night. My mother stitched a dress. My mother put blue buttons on the dress. My mother stitched a dress and she put blue buttons on the dress. She put, instead of my mother, you can use she put blue buttons on the dress. We went to Shimla. Shimla is a beautiful place. We went to Shimla. It is a beautiful place. Sudhir goes to school. The school is near the farm. Sudhir goes to school. It is near the farm. This is Aarti's bag. Aarti loves the bag a lot. This is Aarti's bag. She loves the bag a lot. All the children are in the park. The children are playing cricket. All the children are in the park. They are playing cricket. Instead of children, you can use the pronoun they. Match the columns to make complete sentences and write below. The first one has been done for you. I am going to school. He is writing poem. She is cooking food. It is jumping on the bed. He is returning from school. We are climbing the stairs. They are coming tomorrow. She is very polite.